I'm Sarah, and every day my life revolves around design. This is my journal of what's happening right now in my world as a creator, an entrepreneur, a partner, and a mom. And I'm sharing it with you. So let's go. Today is another chapter in my design life. It's a beautiful day on Georgian Bay, and it is a very exciting day for us here at the cottage because today is the day that big changes are really going to start to happen. So far, Alex and Chris and Charlotte have been working hard here for a number of weeks on all the exterior stuff. But today, you know what today is? Today is window and door day. It is the delivery of all of our windows and doors. And I don't know, maybe you don't think this is a big deal, but what you have to do is understand the context of what it's like to work on an island. Look at that. As far as you can see, nothing. Just the pure open water of Georgian Bay. So it's remote, but it's amazing, especially on a day when the sun is shining. Let me give you a quick tour of the progress here. The bugs. But they're gonna be gone very soon. Alex promises me that within a week, the bugs are gone. So don't be afraid because it's going to be amazing here. Right now, I think a bug just flew up my nose. You know that saying, when it rains, it pours? Well, it just started pouring awesomeness because the crew has arrived. Hi, guys.
Hi,
good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Is it gonna be an awesome day? You guys pack like me going on vacation. Hi, I'm Sarah. If you think getting a delivery at home is exciting, I need you to imagine what it's like to get a delivery when you are 12 miles from the harbor and everything has to come by boat. So this barge travels at a whopping speed of 4 or 5 knots, which means it takes 3 hours to make the 12-mile journey, 3 hours each way. This is not fast. And what you can see is we've got a shipping container and all of our windows and doors are loaded into that container. So you have to really want it to bring it all the way here to the island. It is a massive effort to bring anything here. So what's happening right now? We have to remove each door, each window, reinstall, replace the trim. In some cases, this is going to involve repainting rooms or restaining because it hasn't all stood up super well over 11 years. Brutal. And the big thing, my big job today, you're wondering, what am I doing today? I am packing up 11 years of family life and getting every room cleaned up and ready to roll, which for me means we're also thinking about some redecorating. Check out this barge. It is loaded with beds, dressers, chaises, chairs, side tables, you name it, it's on it. What am I doing with this, you ask? Well, some of it I'm going to reupholster and bring back to the island. Some of it I'm going to repurpose elsewhere. Some of it I'm going to sell. Some of it I'm going to donate. Here we go. I thought a 4-poster bed was a good idea, but it made the cabin feel super small. So I'm gonna sell it and start again. I think it's safe to say that's gonna be the most decorated, stylish barge you have ever seen traveling the channel. You wanna talk about speed renovations? The furniture is headed out and I see the first window heading in. So this is an awesome Monday. We're in the storm room. This is room number 1 for the window reinstall. All the blinds are coming down now. And as you can see, we're back to a construction site. Most people wouldn't like that. This has me feeling super jazzed, super excited about the potential of what happens next in our cottage 2.0. We have reached the end of day 1 of project window and door installation, and we are psyched. We are happy because we have already got all of the windows installed in the storm room, which is the living room, and look how good they look. I am super, super pleased with the color. And these are aluminum clad windows. So they're wood on the inside and they're aluminum clad on the outside, and the aluminum comes in a variety of pre-painted colors. I went with Midnight Surf, and this is a standard Gentech color. And what I like about it is it's gray, but it's got a blue undertone. So on an overcast day like today, it's basically like the color of the bay. And I love that. And I also think it works really well with the existing siding color because that is not changing. So right now we've moved towards a more dramatic, more contemporary palette here. We're pulling in the color of the granite rocks and the color of the water. And here's my question for you. I want to know what you think. Do you like where we're headed here? We've gone with single panels of glass instead of this is a ladder bar top on these previous windows. So we had a light color with this ladder detail with the simulated divided lights, and now we've gone to single pane, dark, rich. What do you think? Are you A or are you B? As you can see, we're headed in a more contemporary direction here. So I hope you're gonna follow along because it's gonna get pretty interesting.